Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to argue for thin client. Now, when you say a thin client, what do we mean by that? A thin client is a computer that runs from resource stored on a centralized server instead of a localized hard drive. Thin client works by connecting remotely to server-based computing environment where most applications, sensitive data, and memories are stored. Now, what are some of the benefits of thin client? Since thin client is being run remotely on remote monitors, it reduces costs, it increases security, and it is more efficiently managed, and also its scalability. Thin client deployment is more cost effective than deploying a regular PC because much of it is centralized at a server side. Thin client computing can reduce IT support and license costs. Moreover, it is more secured because security can be improved through employing a thin client because the thin client itself restricts the server. It's being restricted by server. Thin client cannot run an unauthorized software, and data cannot be copied or saved anywhere except on the server. So as you can see, the server itself have server security for thin client users, and system is being monitored and managed. Management of it is much more easier because it's based on a centralized server location. Thin client can also be very simple. It's very simple to manage since upgrade security policies and more can be managed in data center instead of on the endpoint machine. This leads to less downtime, increasing productivity among IT staff as well as endpoint machine users. In what way can we use a thin client? Now, thin client can be used in three aspects. First of all, we have shared server, shared service, desktop virtualization, and browse base. With a shared service terminal, all users of a thin client station are shared as a server-based operation systems and application. Users of shared service station of thin client are limited to simple tasks on their machine, like creating folders as well as running IT approved applications. Desktop virtualization tool or UI processing means that each desktop lives in a virtual machine which is partitioned from other virtual machines in the server. So it means that in one server we can get a lot of virtual machines. The operating system and application are not shared resources, but they all still live physically in a remote server. These virtualization resources can be accessed from any device that is able to connect to the server. And also, a browser-based approach is when a thin client is using an ordinary device to connect to the internet and carries out its application functions within the web browser instead of a remote server. A data processing is done on the thin client machine, but softwares and data are retrieved from the network. So, based on this, we can argue that thin client is very effective and productive and have high productivity as compared to the other server. Thank you.